Welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 25th, 2029, oh my gosh, 2023. I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and the last puzzle for today is the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, the Tectonic with 4 stars, number 6811. 6811. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one, we don't know. But the hard one says always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one is 13. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. I see here only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need more information, insufficient information right now. 1 and a 2, so let me mark those 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes contains the 1, the 2 and the 3? Well, I cannot see any triple box. Next question, quadra boxes then. Let me check. I see here only one quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. More quadra boxes, no. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the first shape is this one. Let me draw this one here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here, okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5. Alright. 5. More? Let me check. Nope. Oh, no. Incorrect. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one. This box, oh, incorrect. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Okay, so I've marked the wrong box. This one. Okay, this should be a 5. Okay. Yeah, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers, so let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 5. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. Then. Well, this box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. But also can be a 4. If I place a 4 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 there. So the only digit left should be the 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1s. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore, because we have a double 2 there. If we place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so the 4, and that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L shape area should be here. Then Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Not the solution, place the 3 there, and the only place left for the 3 should be there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. From numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so there can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this W area shape should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 5, those 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2. Alright. And now, then. I've marked those two boxes with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. Okay. 2. Let me see. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I've marked those two boxes with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. This box can be 2, but also those two boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this W area saved from us 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. Can be 2, we have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Could be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there, yeah. Definitely a 4 here. 2 numbers, no. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2 is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 2. Okay, and now. Let me think. Two and a 5. Could be a 1 here. No. 1 and a 2. We have, yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2 here. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 and more. If I place 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So not the solution place the 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Okay, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. These, well. 1 and a 2. This should be also 1 and a 2. Let me think. 1, 2. Can it be 2? 3, 4, 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 5, 2, 3. Well, this box can be a 5, can be a 3. But also is connected with that box. Can also not be a 2. 2, 5, 3. So 2 digits left. 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Okay. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 3 here also. This box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can also not be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If you place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 3 here, So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Okay. This box cannot be 1 or a 2 because we have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Double 1, that means that this box can be a 1 and a more. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 supposed to be here and the 4 goes in there. Alright, this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have 3 here, so this box give me 3 and more. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 1. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. These two boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. Finish in 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars because I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, tomorrow on Wednesday. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.